Using vendors for maintaining your small apartment operations. Hey, Cordell Davenport here with smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website. A lot of tips and tricks buying and managing small apartments. In this video, I'm going to talk about using vendors for maintaining your small apartment operations. All right. When it comes to vendors, these people or company, they're frequently used for recurring weekly or monthly maintenance. And these can be pest control, painters, handyman, cleaners, landscaping, etc. And as with anything, it's all about communication. It always helps to have communication as documented. And with your agreement that you are going to communicate, and it goes both ways. So you have expectations and they have expectations. But your agreement to them include these things. Understand, does a vendor supply goods alone or goods and services? Who will get the bill? Management or the property manager? Will payments be processed from invoices or statements? Will payment be made within 30 days? Who has to approve invoices? Are there approval limits? Will vendors be required to complete a W-9 from the IRS and submit a valid certification of insurance before doing any work? Will the vendor be responsible for damages that are caused? Will the vendor be held responsible for screening its employees and their conduct while on the property? That's it for this short video. Continue to be on the lookout for more as I push them out. Adios.